Hi everyone, welcome to the Vaio E15 review. We got the Ryzen 7 variant here. Let's start off the review by talking about the design. The Vaio E15 is made of plastic, but a high quality ABS plastic. And I got the black variant here, and all the ports are mentioned in the video. And there are some ports on the right side too. It's great we have a Type-C port with lot of functionality like DisplayPort out and USB PD charging. I don't know the exact figure, but expect it to charge with a 45W USB PD charger. There's nothing on the back except two clips for the screen standoff, and there are two speakers on the bottom which are fairly loud but not as crisp or clear as some other competitors like Asus TUF F15. If you're strong enough, you can actually open this laptop with just one hand. There's a large, slightly squarish touchpad which is smooth and nice and has multitask capabilities. There's a full-size keyboard including a full-size number row and is also backlit. There are two levels of brightness adjustment for the backlit. There's a green color power button which is very annoying when you watch movies and all, and the caps lock and numbers keys are marked with a small green LED which turns on and turns off. While coming to the display, this is a Full HD IPS panel and this is very bright and very color accurate. I like the contrast of the display being not AMOLED or OLED, but this display has some awesome contrast ratio. And being Full HD at 15.6 inch means it is pretty sharp but not as sharp as some 4K panels in the premium segment. This is also great at watching movies because of the color accuracy and the contrast ratio. The speakers are not that good for movies because the bass production is not that great. Just listen to the sample. Now coming to the performance of this laptop, this is powered by the Ryzen 7 3700U, which is an excellent processor at this price range, which has a TDP of up to 35W and can handle extensive applications like heavy video editing and gaming. While coming to the graphics on board is the AMD Radeon Vega 10, which is the integrated graphics that comes with Ryzen 7 3700U. This graphics is good enough, but this laptop only allows 1GB of VRAM, while on the desktop counterpart you can upgrade to 2GB of VRAM. I don't know why the BIOS of this laptop is limiting the VRAM just 1GB. And the storage is a crucial 512GB NVMe SSD, which is pretty fast because it's PCIe Gen 3 based. If you need more storage, you can extend via a portable hard drive like the 1TB Sony hard drive I have here. There's also a nice bag for carrying this laptop which comes included with the package, so you don't need to buy one separately. You can wear this over your head also if you needed to. This is made up of some high quality materials which should cost around ₹1000 if you buy it separately. There's also some good strap. While coming to the overall opinion of this laptop is, this laptop is great for the price. You get an awesome display, a great performance, some good quality keyboard and an okayish build quality. The problems are, the RAM cannot be expanded. You are stuck with 8GB of RAM, which is not that enough for 4K 60fps editing. You can do good 4K 30fps editing in apps like Adobe Premiere Pro, but for 4K 60fps videos, the editor may lag a bit. And also the battery is very weak on this device. If you do some heavy editing, you should always plug in the charger because at times this laptop may shut down automatically. In my usage, the fan of this laptop has damaged in a couple of months, and I reached to Vaio via an email and they didn't respond. So I have to find a slim fan that fits inside this laptop and replace it myself. The inbuilt fan on this laptop is very powerful, but it's so slim that replacements are very rare to find. So I have modified an HP 15AC laptop fan and somehow placed inside this laptop. So that's my review. Thanks for watching. See you again in our next video.